7 habits keeping you poor. A lot of our daily actions are on autopilot, like brushing your teeth. You don't stop to think about it. You just do it. And the same goes for how we manage money. Most of the time, we're not even aware of financial habits we're repeating every day. If you've ever felt like you're working hard but not getting ahead financially, this video is for you. Over the past decade, I've helped clients from all walks of life, from high net worth investors to everyday earners, create smarter financial strategies. And one of the most life-changing things I've learned through it all is how to manage your money more than how to make more, with these simple but powerful strategies that we all can do. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 common money habits that quietly keep people broke and how you can replace them with smarter strategies to finally build real wealth. Whether you're a high earner or just getting started, these insights can help you build a stronger financial foundation and finally break out of the cycle. Poor habit number 1, paying yourself last. Here's how most people handle their money. They get paid, they pay rent, cover the bills, buy stuff, go out, and maybe save whatever's left. That's called paying yourself last. And it's the fast track to financial stress. Instead, do what wealthy people do. Pay yourself first. As soon as your paycheck hits, move 10% into savings, like it's a bill. To make it easier, automate it. I've said this before and I'll say it again because this is one of the hardest tips to adapt yourself to. It's for your future, not instant gratification. This is how people build wealth on purpose, not by accident. You wouldn't skip rent, don't skip your future. Poor habit number 2, normalizing bad debt. Debt has become so normalized that people finance small things. While it can be tempting to swipe your card for everyday snack, new clothes, or even toiletries, these can quickly accumulate. But I'm actually not opposed to using credit cards. In fact, I recommend using them as long as you follow some tips. They're safer than debit cards because they offer better protection if unauthorized charges are made to your card. But here's a rule that I've tried to stick to. If I can't afford to pay for that thing outright, I shouldn't be buying it with any form of debt. Remember, credit card companies don't want you to be financially responsible because that's how they make money from the average credit card interest rate of 24%. Even with points and rewards, it doesn't matter if you're carrying a balance. Your money ends up building someone else's wealth. And here's something that I notice often. People complain that mortgage rates are too high at 6 or 7%, but carrying credit card debt with triple that interest and don't even flinch. One builds wealth, one builds stress. That mindset shift matters. Poor habit number 3, no emergency fund. Saving is more than putting money away someday. You need a buffer. Build up 3 to 6 months of living expenses, rent, bills, basics. That stockpile protects you from panic when life happens. Start with your 10% savings habit and work toward that cushion. Poor habit number 4, not tracking income or expenses. If you don't know your numbers, how can you grow? There's something called lifestyle inflation. As your income goes up, so does your spending. I see this all the time. You make more, so you buy more. Wealthy people are different. They know their income, they track expenses, and they plan for growth. Poor habit number 5, expensive hobbies. It's not about giving up what you love. It's about knowing what's costing you. Spending $200 a week on takeout might feel convenient now, but over a year, that's over $10,000. It could have gone toward your emergency fund or your first investment account. You don't have to cut it all out, but just know where it's going. Poor habit number 6, not knowing how to save on taxes. For most people, taxes will be the largest lifetime expense. Saving on taxes with real estate ownership is one of the big things. Owning real estate offers a variety of tax advantages, whether it's your primary residence or an investment property. But most people don't learn how to legally lower them. Whether it's using Roth IRA, starting a business, or learning tax strategy, wealthy people do this intentionally. I'm not talking tax evasion, I'm talking financial education. Poor habit number 7, waiting too long to invest. You don't need to wait for that perfect time. Once you have saved your emergency fund, start investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts compound. Don't let fear or perfectionism cost you 10 years of progress. You'll be surprised at how compounding can outperform even larger investment amounts. I made a more in-depth video on how to get started with investing, so click here, watch it if you're interested in learning what to do next. Final thought. You don't have to do everything overnight. Start with one habit. Maybe it's automating savings, cutting down bad debt, or finally opening that Roth IRA. Small steps today build long-term wealth. If this helped, share it with someone who needs a financial reset. And I'll see you in the next one.